What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial is designed to help you resolve the green and gray screen issue in WhatsApp where chats fail to open properly. This problem can be frustrating, but with the steps outlined below, you can restore functionality to your WhatsApp application. To do that, locate and launch the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down until you find the Apps tab. After you locate the Apps tab, tap on it. While we are in the Apps tab, tap See All Apps if you did not find WhatsApp on the recent list. After that, scroll down until you find the WhatsApp app. After you locate the WhatsApp app, tap on it. From here, tap the Storage and Cache tab. While we are in the Storage and Cache tab, click Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After that, let's go back to the App Info. While we are in the App Info, uninstall the app. After uninstalling the app, restart your device. After restarting your device, open the Google Play Store or App Store if you use an iPhone. Now in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. After that, locate the app on WhatsApp. After you locate the WhatsApp app, install the app. Then open the app and enter the credentials. And by following the steps, you should be able to fix the green and gray screen problem in WhatsApp. Begin with a simple device restart. And if the issue persists, proceed through clearing the app's cache, updating, checking your internet connection, and finally, reinstalling the app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.